Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Sabrina Carpenter's iconic Met Gala look in DTI. So here, I'm going to just start with the hair. For the hair, I'm going to go to the wavy category here and use this hair and change the color into this one. And for the looks or the outfits, I'm going to just use a code item from the DTI. This long dress in here, and I'm going to change the bottom part of the dress into light blue color. Okay, like this one in here. Now you can just add some accessory to complete the look. So here I'm going to put on this necklace and this bracelet here, and you can complete the look now with the shoe. Actually the shoe isn't showing enough, but I'm going to just put on this shoe in here. So that's it. This is the final look. So channel the red carpet royalty and serve Met Gala magic in every runway. So don't forget to click on like, comment your favorite Met Gala look ever, subscribe and click on thanks for more celeb outfit recreations in DTI. Bye!